All right, practice problem 4. This is our last one. So let's see how we're doing. On the next slide, describe 2 transformations that could produce the image below. So let's start with ordered pairs because we need to see how things are changing, right? Well, I don't know if we need them, but they asked for them, so let's do it. U is located at 2, -2. B is at 0, 5, 0, sorry. K is at 5, 3. And Y is at 4, 3. So they're going to switch. These are the same. And 3, 4. So in actuality, we have the B is a negative. U, they're both negative. K, we have a 3 and a -5. And for Y, we have a 4. 1, 2, 3, a 3 and a -4. So if I'm moving in a counterclockwise motion, they go in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is counterclockwise. So if I go in order, label these 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I look at point Y, 1, 2, it moved 3 quadrants going in the clockwise direction. So this could be 270 degrees, sorry, counterclockwise. Or if I go out of order in the clockwise direction, it goes 1, 4, 3, 2. So if I start in 1 and go to 4, that's clockwise, and I only moved 1 quadrant, so that's 90 degrees clockwise. So 90 degree clockwise is the same as 270 counterclockwise. That always is true. Or vice versa. 90 degrees counterclockwise is the same as 270 clockwise. So hopefully that's a pattern you will remember so you don't have to work it out every time. They're always going to be the same. So that's it. Up next is your exit ticket. There is a slide now for you to show work first. We've got to stop trying to do things in our head and trying to remember. There's always a question about the conjecture. Go back and look. Do not guess. It is word for word from the conjecture. There's probably going to be some questions about the steps, but definitely 100% you have to show your work on the slide that says exit ticket work. That way, there's no way you'll get that problem wrong. So show your work, then fill out your Google form, and don't forget to submit it in Google Classroom.